Hello, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I want to talk about WhatsApp leads and how to reach them. If you want to reach your audience through WhatsApp, how to do it. Okay, first of all, I want to talk about many people say that the most powerful leads for us doing business is email. To be honest, I'm trying so many times to reach my audience through email. I gather all the email lists about 3 years or 4 years, and then I already separate each of them. And then, to be honest, I never succeed that these email leads give me good sales. I never succeed doing that. I don't know. Maybe it might be because I'm living in Indonesia. So perhaps not so common people to check their emails. And the thing is, email marketing never worked for me in Indonesia. And on the other hand, most of the Indonesian are using WhatsApp, and then for these WhatsApp leads, it works. It quite works for me, and it's much better than only broadcast, only blast on email. But blast on WhatsApp leads, it's much better than email. That's for my case. Okay, if you are in the same shoes here, if you are in the same page that WhatsApp is supposed to become your weapon on broadcast, here are two ways for you to how to reach your audience through WhatsApp. Okay, the first one, I don't talk about how you get the numbers, how you get your audience. I don't talk about that, but I just want to talk about the methods. Okay, the first one, the WhatsApp API. You could contact your provider, or you can search WhatsApp API on your country, and there are so many vendors that it's official from WhatsApp, from Meta itself. They provide you a tools or an interface that you able to send WhatsApp messages through your computer and to your new numbers or anything. Imagine you get the OTP, you got the notification that your packs are shipped from the warehouse and so on. Imagine that kind of WhatsApp. That's the WhatsApp API. So you can use that kind of tools to WhatsApp marketing or chat marketing. The thing is, this one is paid. Okay, and I believe the cost is not so cheap, so you could check by yourself. In my country, it's about, if in US, about 0.5 dollar per chat sent. Okay, not read, not clicks, but send. 0.05 dollars, or about 5 cents. It's quite expensive, I think. And then the second thing, make sure they touch you first, and then later you could reach them by broadcast them easily. So make sure you have the theory called lead magnet. Okay, leads magnet, I think. Leads magnet, that make sure your leads, your audience contact you first, touch you first through your WhatsApp, and then later you able to broadcast them. No need to worry about block, about ban, and so on, because they contact you first. That's the thing. So you gather the leads through your WhatsApp, and then make labeling that people who touch you first, or your audience that touch you first on WhatsApp. Later, someday, you could broadcast them. Very easy and very safe. That, because as simple as you can imagine, if some anonymous people contact you first, you can see the option of block or ban or report. Okay, if anonymous or the new numbers contact you first. But you can change your perspective here. What if what if people, okay, start to contact me, contact you, which is on that side, he or she will never see any block or reports option. But for you, yes. But because of this is a leads, you will never send block or report the numbers. You just keep, and whatever they talk about, whatever they reach you, how they what the reason behind they reach you, whatever it is, you just reply it, and then you can save it, this leads, WhatsApp leads, as leads, and in the later you can broadcast of them. Here, huge difference, I think, huge difference from email and then WhatsApp. But the similarity is for if the email marketing, this they touch you first is about verification, email verification. Okay, email verification. This one, the email verification, actually in the marketing side, is only about to make sure the email not gone through and not gone to the spam. Because if you never click email verification, the Gmail or any email provider, there is a chance to consider your email as a junk or as a spam. So that's it. I will wrap it for you. The first one, the two kinds of methods to reach your audience through WhatsApp. WhatsApp API, it is paid, and then the second one, make sure they contact you first. Later, you could able to broadcast them safely. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I hope you could get insight from this video. Bye bye.